Number 2.1, second question. Write the coefficients of x square. 2 plus x square plus x. कोफिशिएंट मतलब जो बाजू में रहते हैं उसको कोफिशिएंट बोलते हैं. नाउ सेकेंड टर्म इज एक्स स्क्वेयर. ओके, एक्स स्क्वेयर इसके कुछ नहीं है बाजू में, मतलब कौन सी है, 1 इज देयर. सो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x square is equal to 1. Okay, in the second problem, 2 minus x square plus x cube. Okay, coefficient of, full form I am not writing, you write in your notebook. X square, here also nothing is there, means 1. So along with the sign you have to write minus 1. This is the second term, x square. Here minus sign is there. So x square means you have to keep in your mind that minus 1 x square. So coefficient is minus 1. Third one, pi upon 2x square plus x. Okay, here x square is the coefficient of x square is equal to pi upon 2. And fourth one, root 2x minus 1. So x square is not there. X square itself is not there. X square is not there. Okay, so coefficient will be, if it is not there, coefficient will be coefficient of x square is equal to 0. Okay, now third question number 3. Give one example of each of the binomial. Degree, binomial means 2 terms होना चाहिए, and degree is equal to 35, and this should be binomial. Questions I am not writing. Okay, and monomial with degree 100 on. Degree मतलब क्या है, maximum power is called degree. So first let us write binomial. Binomial means 2 terms should be there. So I will be writing 2x raised to power 35 minus 2. Otherwise 4x minus 35 minus 2x. This is also binomial with 35 as the degree. Now monomial, only one term should be there. Degree should be 100. X raised to power 100. Second example, y raised to power 100. Okay, like that many examples you can write. Fourth one, write the degree of the polynomial. 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. So degree means maximum power. Here first one power 3, second one 2, third one 1, nothing is there 1. So maximum power क्या है, 3. So degree is equal to 3. Second one, this is the first one. Second one, 4 minus y square. Okay, here degree is equal to maximum power here 2. So degree is equal to 2. Third one, 5t minus root 7. 5t is there. यहाँ न कुछ नहीं, मतलब 1 है. ओके, सो डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 1. फोर्थ वन 3. यह 3 मीन्स एक्चुअली क्या है, मैंने बताया आपको, 3x रेज टू पावर 0. वैल्यू विल बी वेरिएबल इज इक्वल टू 0 होगा. सॉरी, डिग्री इज इक्वल टू, क्योंकि 3x रेज टू एनी नंबर रेज टू पावर 0 इज इक्वल टू 1. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So here degree is equal to, इसीलिए हम लोग लिखते हैं 0. Okay, now fifth problem. Fifth problem, classify the following into linear, quadratic and cubic. 2 terms are there. Question number 5. Classify. Okay, x square plus x, 2 terms are there. So based on the degree, linear, classify the following into quadratic linear, quadratic and cubic. X square based on the degree. Here degree is equal to 2. Okay, this is the first one. So quadratic, degree 2 है इसीलिए quadratic. Second one, x minus x cube. So डिग्री क्या हो गए, मैक्सिमम पावर 3 है, डिग्री 3 हो तो ये क्यूबिक हो जाएगी. ओके, थर्ड वन, y प्लस वाई स्क्वेयर प्लस 4. सो डिग्री मैक्सिमम पावर कितना है यहाँ 2, डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 2. सो अगर डिग्री हो 2 हो तो वो आपको लिखने का है क्वाड्रेटिक. फोर्थ वन, 1 प्लस एक्स, नथिंग इज देयर मीन्स 1. सो डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 1. अगर डिग्री 1 हो तो उसको लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल, लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, यहाँ भी लिख देना आप क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल, क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, 3t मीन्स 3t रेज़्ड टू पावर 1. सो डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 1. अगर डिग्री 1 हो तो क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, उसको लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, सिक्स्थ वन, आर स्क्वायर. सो डिग्री एक ही टर्म है उसका, डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 2. सो वी विल बी कॉलिंग इट एज क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. सेवेंथ वन, 7x cube. Only one term is there, but degree is equal to 3. Okay, in terms of number of terms लिए तो ये 7x cube is a monomial, r square also monomial, 3t also monomial, because only one term is there. But in terms of degree, if you take, it is called cubic, because it is called cubic polynomial. Okay, thank you.